Calculus. It's a bit complex topic. But hold on, today I will make you understand integration and differentiation in less than 5 minutes. Imagine an apple. Differentiation is like cutting apple into slices. Mathematically, differentiation breaks a function into infinite number of tiny, instantaneous changes or slope at specific points. Now integration is adding up of all those tiny parts to get a whole. Just like stacking back all the apple slices, we get total volume of an apple. In other words, differentiation helps us understand rate of change, like slicing, while integration helps us combine all those small changes to understand overall accumulation. Integration of a function gives accumulated total of whatever the function is measuring. Now, let's consider a ball, and this curve represents the position of a ball over time. So let's break this function into slices, or differentiating this function gives velocity of object at any given time. Velocity tells how fast the object is moving and in which direction. In mathematical terms, it's also the slope of the curve. And now, integrating this function, joining all the slices, you get a total area under this curve. Now, if this position curve is broken down into smaller intervals with closer points, the area calculation becomes more accurate. As the slices become infinitely narrow, it gives an exact area under the curve. Higher resolution for more accurate results. We also have something called fractional calculus for more higher resolution. Explore. Till then, bye bye.